Hey everyone, my name is Myiesha and I'm a beauty director here at Sephora and I am joined by Erick today.
Hi everyone, I'm so happy to be here. We're going to be talking about my favorite 6 products found at Sephora.
And this is perfect. If you are not familiar with our Sephora squad, they're just my babies. I'm their mama. Whenever I see them, I get so excited. Erick is here with me in LA, so I see him at events all the time. He helps me get content. He's always so friendly. We're both very tall people, so he's easy to find in a crowd. Like, I'm like 6'2" with heels on, and I feel like you're still a foot taller than me. So he's going to tell us about his fave things. I have been asking him for this moment for a while, so I'm super excited. Okay, so what's your first product?
So my first product is actually the AMOREPACIFIC Treatment Cleansing Foam. I absolutely love this cleansing foam. I've been using it for about 4 years now. What I love about it is that it's so rich. It just doesn't strip my skin from any of my nutrients, of my natural oils, and it just leaves my skin super smooth and clean.
Yeah, I have a deep love for Amore. Like, their cleansers are so good. I think that was the thing that I was so into, the cleansing oil, the little enzyme one that you mix together, the powder and the water. This one has, I think, amino acids or something, and there's something about it that makes your skin, like, really cush and soft, but also, like, it's good for blemish-prone skin. Like, I've never seen a blemish on Erick, so I don't really know if he has blemish-prone skin.
It's the makeup. You would never know.
It works really well if you're blemish-prone or you get a little bit oily. So soft, so calming to the skin.
Yes.
Yeah.
And a little bit of this product goes a long way. Literally, I use less than a pea size, and it's good for my entire face. So I love it. It's my favorite.
Okay, so next.
So my next product is actually a beauty grail for me. This is the First Aid Beauty Ultra Repair Oat and Hemp Seed Dry Oil. I love this product, especially now that I moved to LA. I've been experiencing a little bit more dryness on my skin. This has been my savior. 2 to 3 drops literally is all I need for my whole face. And it's not even like one of those oils that make you look greasy or feel greasy. It absorbs right into the skin, leaving it super soft and silky.
I know, because you're like me. Like, we're both, like, are you oily? I would say, like, you
I think I'm combo.
You're kind of combination. But we both kind of like that glowy effect, but at the same time, like, we're at these hot events. We got to actually make it last throughout the night. So it's like, I feel like this would be really great to prep if you're looking for that dewy look, but you don't want a lot of heavy moisturizer. I love First Aid Beauty. This is really nice. I love it too.
And one of the other things that I use it for too is because I have a beard too, and I experience a lot of dryness around my beard area. I like to like pack it on at night around my beard area, and it's also perfect for your cuticles. You can even use it on your hair. It's like that multitasker that you absolutely must have.
Really nice. It's also really good for redness too. I feel like, someone who has like really irritated skin would really like this, because not everybody that gets really irritated is automatically dry, even though we kind of associate the two together. So good job, First Aid Beauty. This is a good one.
Totally. My fave.
Okay, so you have another skincare product for me. Let's see.
Yeah, so this is actually one of my most recent obsessions. So this is the Tatcha The Silk Peony Melting Eye Cream. I absolutely love this product. I know I say that all the time, but believe me on this one, this is amazing. I love because it actually has a really awesome, like, silky, balmy type of texture.
Yeah.
But like right when you start like massaging it onto your eyes, it disappears, but your eyes look like you're 10 years younger.
I want to touch it. I haven't touched this in a while. So nice.
It's very silky, very, love it.
Kind of like iridescent, like has a glow to it.
Totally. It looks amazing when you put it on before your concealer, by the way.
I have so many eye creams. I'm like trying not to crack this one open. I'm trying to be good and not use it all. That's really nice. It feels really pretty.
Yeah, once you use it, I promise you're not going to let go of it. I say that from experience.
Okay, so we did some skincare. Now we're going to move on to some makeup picks.
Yeah, so there's always people asking me, Erick, what is like your absolute must-have if you're like on the go and you don't have time to do crazy makeup? Then of course I'm always gonna say my favorite product is the Too Faced Born This Way Super Coverage Multi-Use Sculpting Concealer. I'm in the shade Vanilla. I absolutely love this product, mainly because it's enriched with coconut water, so it doesn't dry me out. Remember, I do have a little bit of dryness from time to time, so I love all the moisture and all the hydration that I can, and the coverage of this product is perfect for me.
That's a good one. I do love coconut water. That's kind of a common thing in Too Faced products. I love the primer, the coconut water, the spray, the foundations and concealers. It just makes your skin look really alive and awake.
It gives you like that second skin texture. Like, I'm all about texture and all about complexion, so I find that this concealer gives me the right amount of coverage without it being heavy and without it accentuating coverage.
Okay, so a next makeup product.
So of course, once we put our concealer, we gotta set that baby so it doesn't go anywhere. So this is another of my must-haves. This This is the Hourglass Veil Translucent Powder. I love this powder. I mean, I could tell you all day.
It's really good.
It's really nice. What I like about it is that it's so finely milled that it just literally doesn't look like you have powder on when you put it on. And I strategically place my powder around my face because, again, I do like looking glowy and very hydrated and luminous. So I will just put it a little bit under my eyes, a little bit underneath my cheekbones to kind of like lift them up, but it doesn't accentuate texture, which is my main thing.
It's really, really nice. I find that, like, I love the component because so many people put so much powder on. I mean, I use a lot of powder, but I'm super oily. But it has this sort of like sifter where you only get a tiny amount, only the amount that you need. So I really, really enjoy that because I tend to go to town. And it also, like in true Hourglass luxury fashion, it has real diamonds in it. So it just makes your skin like super glowy. And actually, like, I don't know how they do it, but they have this technology where the light refracts off your face. So it's like someone's holding like a reflector under you. So your skin just looks so, so pretty. I just think this is one of the most luxurious powders there is.
Definitely. And I love that it doesn't create any like white cast or anything because I take a lot of photos with flash and this does not give any flashbacks.
Yeah, for sure. Like any skin tone, I can rely on this one.
Yes.
Okay, so we're on our last product now.
Yes. So obviously we have to finish up the look. My next favorite product is definitely the Benefit Cosmetics Hoola Matte Bronzer. I don't think I need to explain too much why this is great because I'm sure you guys are familiar with it, but I will tell you my favorite parts about it.
So good.
I'm always looking for a bronzer that doesn't have shimmer, that has not a lot of warmth, but also a little bit of warmth, if you know what I mean.
It's, so neutral that it's like the perfect, you can't mess up with it. That's
Exactly.
what I like about it.
Yes, it's not gray, so it doesn't make you look muddy, but it's not too orange where it makes you look orange. So I love this bronzer.
I know. I feel like, I mean, I have to check the dates on this, but I feel like this bronzer is like 20 years old. It's timeless. It's a classic, which is why it's just been around so long that everyone loves it. Now, there are 4 colors. So if you're someone that has tried it in the past and maybe you wanted it to be a little lighter, a little bit darker, a little bit warmer, there are 4 different colors. There's a lighter one.
There's a lighter one, yes.
Like a neutral taupey one. And then there's a few shades. Like, I actually use the original Hoola if you're kind of like guessing which color to get. The original Hoola, and then there's 2 after it. But it's just, it's so nice. It's just
so nice.
skin-like.
It's a buildable. It's a very buildable formula. So that's why for the long time this was a universal shade because you can build it up to look really warm, or you can just go a little sheer with it. It's amazing. I love it.
Okay, so there you go. I find that we use a lot of the same brands. You really introduced a few new products to me that I wasn't really aware of or hadn't tried yet. So I'm super excited. I'm gonna like take home some of this stuff and try it tonight. I love Erick. He's very modest, so he won't brag about himself, but I'll brag for him. What is your social media handle so people can find you?
You can find me at Glam by Erick at most social media platforms, or Erick Glam.
So what I love about Erick is he has so much fun with his makeup. I feel like I can try any of his looks, and it's so fun, so interesting. And also he does tutorials in English and Spanish, which is something just really amazing. I feel like you make so many people happy just by giving them the content that they're most comfortable with.
Thank you.
Sure. As always, please subscribe. We love sharing our content with you. We love taking your feedback and turning it into fun videos just for you. And we'll see you next time. Bye.
Hasta luego. Bye.